Okay, so I did the test with the power supply with disconnected and a paper clip. The fan turns on. Now when I connect this in and I turn on the power supply, the fan does not turn on. So the power supply is still off. Even when I click this, I tried both, nothing. Everything seems to be connected securely. Still nothing. I tried disconnecting everything, but this disconnected everything, and it's still, the power supply doesn't turn on. I'm thinking maybe it's the motherboard that's dead on arrival. I connected all these, they're all in nicely. Still nothing.